What people are talking about when they say wood chips will rob nitrogen from the soil is a process called nitrogen immobilization. So microbes in and on the wood chips and in and on the soil are going to decompose the wood chips by incorporating all the nitrogen that they can get into their diet to balance out the carbon. Microbes will slow their activity and their reproduction if they don't have enough nitrogen, because otherwise they'll starve. They need the nitrogen for protein and enzymes in order to be able to keep feeding on the carbon. So with something like wood chips that have such a high carbon content, the microbes are going to use up the nitrogen that's available to them very quickly, and then very quickly slow their metabolisms down once they run out. But the thing is, this only happens where the wood chips are hanging out. So on the soil surface, microbes are going to scavenge the nitrogen and then stop. And this creates a nitrogen deficit zone right there on the soil surface, but not much deeper. Now, if we were to mix wood chips into the soil, or worse yet, till them in, we'd have some serious problems, because now we're talking about the lower layers of the soil being nitrogen depleted, and that would be the main mistake that you could make. The thing is, nitrogen that gets locked up when you mix carbon into it is locked primarily in the bodies of the microorganisms. And so over time, it is re-released back into the soil, but that can take quite a while.